Yeah, Prof here, and we got a quickie here. We got two things here. One of them's a RMA coming back from Fellow. I think that's how you say it. Or Filo? It's German. Let me know. And this other one is actually from OIDIO Sound for my new R70x Refine. And I am working right now using those headphones, and I would like to use my new cable. So, what we're going to do is slice and dice it open and give you guys a quick video. Still not the most confident with Bob the Box Cutter here. I have a feeling I'm going to switch back to the tuck. We will find out though. Alright, that's my packing slip. Basically 100 pounds, much cheaper than what APOS was charging for, I wouldn't even say like a similar custom cable, but just a custom cable in general. There you go, you eat your Biscoff cookies, as well as your OIDIO Sound stickers. Using the iPhone for photos, since we're using the Pixel 9 Pro for the quick unboxing here. Mongrel cable is what I went with, the same as my previous R70X, except we went with a mustard-based colorway, and I was debating white or black, and beautiful. And then what I did is I shifted, because red, there's more red and brown, so that's your right, and then the lighter color went to blue. And some people were going to do, the other one I had seen as an example had red on the tan side and had black on the brown side. And I like having right and left being red and blue. And also, like I said, there's red and brown. So I flipped around light, but that looks beautiful. Let's flip it over. And for example, let's grab the, here I'm using my original cable. This is this yellow snakeskin on the R70x Refine here. You can tell they're refined by the golden cups. I did squash the top a bit because of my fat head apparently. Payton is actually, he also picked up a pair of these because he's been looking for a nicer pair of headphones than his DT880s that he's had for years. And I was like, hey, you should pick up these. And he did. He actually looking at how to squish them tighter. I'm like, well, I did the opposite, so I can show you. But these are the ones that I picked this cable up for. The other thing that I did is normally I get a 4-foot cable, which is 1.25 meters. Now, these are the newer connectors that do not lock, but they do go in very far and stick out only very slightly. So they even more so than the aftermarket one you saw, they stick out even less. I gotta straighten this out. There we go. Left, right. And yeah, I think this colorway is perfect for these headphones. They actually had quite a few in the same sort of theme with the brown, and this is not a yellow, for goldenrod, I think, or something like that. If you guys hit me up, follow my Twitter and Instagram. I did share out theirs. These were kind of this was kind of the backup that I was looking at for these guys here. I ended up with this maroon and green for the originals that have this more black aesthetic, right? And instead of having alternating, like where it's got black in a color and brown in a color, because these were already black, I just wanted full color like that. I'm gonna make this 0.5 here. So these are my originals. These only had the 1.25 meter cable, which is a 4-foot cable. There you go. But my Japanese cables for my Sony headphones, and by those I mean the MV1 and the M1ST, those the only came in, what was it, 5-foot, I want to say, and that might have even been the longer size for them. So I got actually used to the 5-foot. The 4-foot, if I do not move and don't roll around in my chair at all, it's beautiful. But if you even want to like turn around in the chair, it doesn't get that slacking kind of tug on it. And going to the 5-foot, it still doesn't drag on the floor or anything like that. So that's why I went. Because the headphones I use even more regularly lately now than the R70x's are the Sony's, and they're at 5-foot. So getting that same length is preferred. And like I said, I was running the original R70x's leading up to these refined versions because I wanted to really like experience or hear the difference, because I've been using R70x's since 2016. But just because I've been using the MV1s for the past couple months, really wanted to renew my thoughts on them and stuff like that. And I did that, but one thing I noticed right away is both my original cable, this guy here, that if you look does have locking connectors. Apparently the reason why they went away with these is the split between the metal and then the plastic locking connector, that tends to break there. They are still available, but very few places still sell them as parts because of that issue. This one was also an XLR. I went to 4.4 millimeter to be more compatible with newer DAC amp hardware. But I still have this guy. This Audio Sound even repaired this once for me. So even though they're all the way over in the UK. So still really like this cable. It turned out amazing. It worked amazing on these. It allowed me to plug these in at the same time as the other ones, because the DX9 has 4.4 mil and XLR. So, and without an adapter, I could use an XLR to 4.4 mil adapter, which is what I'll use here. But this one still rocked. It's just a little bit stiff. This is their Pellucid Plus, and this is more similar to how those Japanese cables for the Sonys are. The only reason why it's even more stiff or feels that way is because it's coming from both ear cups instead of one. But still worked amazing. Perfect cable. It'll keep right on trucking even now. But I will say that this is by far their Mongrel cable. They weigh nothing. Like, you can look at this. You can put a knot in it, and it doesn't even notice. So, not saying you have to check it out, but they have done all of my custom cables that you guys have seen since the R70X. That is how I found them. They were one of 2 places that made aftermarket balanced R70X cables, and the only place that would do a custom one. And the prices are reasonable. This was £100 for this cable. The one A-Post was selling, which was not even custom, it's just like the purple whatever one, like their cable that they sell for various different headphones, just terminated for the R70X multiple times this cost. And these are, like, I worked with him to find these connectors. Like, we measured the originals, we measured the ones on the old cable, we found ones that would fit up in there. They don't lock in, but they seat far enough, there are no issues. I think he said 4 people roughly since mine had gotten those as well, at least. So if you're looking for R70X cables, or even really any cables, I would say check them out. I really do truly like their product. If the connectors for the Sonys were available outside of Japan, he worked with me to try and get connectors. They will not export connectors. Like the places that sell the cables do not sell you the connectors, because it is a very closed market. In actuality, because it's a screw locking 4-pole 3.5 mil, that was custom made for one of the brands in order to get that. And I do have ones that don't lock. They eventually wreck the 3.5 mil connector. So he ended up being like, I don't think we can make one, because seeing what happened to the other connector, we couldn't warranty it, which is reasonable, guys, because they stand by their warranty. Like I said, this had a break in it or something, was no longer passing sound when all of the UK was fixed and came back. And he fixed that one because they couldn't get connectors. That was before we found these connectors. So, double thumbs up. Really like the brand. I went to him first as soon as these came in. Have a good one as always. Let me know if you have any questions, comments down below. I do not have an affiliate code or anything like that. I just really like the brand and the product. I will link them down below. If you want design inspirations, my recommendation is Instagram. That is where I actually have a whole list of them that were on the Discord under our audiophile channel, where I picked out ones I liked. People voted on them. Like I said last time, I already kind of knew I was going to get this one to match the cups. If you look, it's got a good balance. But it was the runner-up last time, and I think it better fits these. Have a good one.